How to know if your Kansas roof needs replacing. 5 signs every homeowner should watch for. Is your Kansas roof showing signs of wear and tear? Severe weather, from hailstorms to heavy winds, make roof maintenance essential for Kansas property owners. Hi, I'm Marshall from Assurance Roofing and Exteriors, Kansas's trusted roofing expert since 2013. Over the years, we've completed thousands of roofs, ensuring homeowners like you are safe and secure. Today, we'll walk through 5 critical signs that your roof might need replacing. Sign number 1, missing or curling shingles. Missing or curling shingles are one of the most obvious signs of roof damage. If shingles are cracked, curling at the edges, or missing entirely, it means your roof is no longer fully weatherproof. This can lead to leaks and major water damage over time. Sign number 2, granules in gutters. Ever find sandy residue in your gutters? Those are granules shedding from your roof shingles. Over time, your roof loses protective granules due to weathering, leaving it exposed to the elements. Without granules, shingles wear out faster as the granules protect the shingle from the sun's UV rays, decreasing the life of the shingle and increasing the risk of leaks. Sign 3, interior water damage or stains. Notice stains on your ceilings or walls? Water damage inside your home often starts with roof problems. Leaks caused by damaged shingles or underlayment can lead to structural issues and expensive repairs. Don't ignore these signs. A quick roof inspection could save you from costly renovations. Sign number 4, sagging roof lines. A roof should always have straight, sturdy lines. If you notice dipping or sagging in areas, it points to structural issues like water intrusion, rot, or compromised roof decking. This can pose serious safety risk and should be checked by a professional immediately. Don't wait until it's too late, as the longer you ignore a sagging roof line, the more damage will be caused and the more expensive the repair becomes. And sign 5, the roof is over 20 years old. Most roofs last 20 to 25 years, depending on the material used and weather conditions. If your roof is over 2 decades old, it's likely deteriorating beyond repair. Continuing to patch it will only result in more frequent and costly repairs. It's best to consider a full roof replacement before any major issue arises. To recap, here are 5 key signs your roof might need replacing: missing or curling shingles, granules in the gutters, interior water damage or stains, sagging roof lines, or if your roof is over 20 years old. If you have noticed any of these signs, it's important to act quickly and contact a professional roofing company. A full roof replacement might seem like a large investment, but in the long run, it will save you time and money. Don't wait for small issues to turn into major problems. Schedule your free inspection with Assurance Roofing and Exteriors today, and rest easy knowing your home is in expert hands.